There's a new Gorilla Tag fan game, and today I'm going to be playing it. It's called Primal Fear VR. Jamin Curley and VMT has played it. It's actually a really fun game. It can get scary sometimes, but I genuinely think it's a really good game. So yeah, we're going to be playing Primal Fear VR today. If you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe, or else this bunny will be at the edge of your bed tonight. I'm not even joking, he will be. Staring into your soul. He'll be your new sleep paralysis demon. Anyways, yeah! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into playing Primal Fear VR. But before I go ahead and start playing that, I just straight up want to go ahead and tell you guys, this is my fan code. Cooper1. COOPER1. Join my fan code. This is where I normally film my videos. So if you want to be in one of my videos, just join Cooper1. That's my new fan code. Alright? I'm in there a lot. But yeah, if you want to meet me or be in one of my videos, just join Cooper1. I'm in there a lot. Yeah, that's my new fan code. Alright. Now, let's get into Primal Fear VR. Yeah, the player model's actually kind of cute. I'm going to go ahead and say that. Why am I doing that epic intro that I don't really need? But yeah, hi! Don't mind that little thing, right there. If I look down, then that's there. It's just a little thing. I'll probably get rid of it soon, but it's just a little thing telling me how many calories I've burned. And, like, how many minutes I've been on. It's good to have, really. I'll do a tutorial on how to get it if you want it. Alright. Hello there.
But move! What the freak? What's up, guys, to another video?
You're doing a YouTube video too? It's cool. I'm doing a YouTube video as well. Oh guys, this is Primal Fear. Someone else is doing a YouTube video as well.
And these are all of our YouTuber friends, like right here, right there. And don't forget me.
But can I be with you? I'm recording.
Alright, there we go, guys. Let's
go.
This is Primal Fear. I'm just playing in a public lobby, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
No.
Yep.
This is my first time making a video.
Listen to. Press the button.
This is.
No way!
Not right now. Not
what?
right now. Bro, that's a Spider-Man chase scene, bro. That's a Spider-Man chase scene, like
my first time. This is my first
Man,
time
it's
making
loud in
this
here. I'm
video.
not gonna lie. I've never really joined a public lobby.
This is
Okay,
my
let's go up
first
here.
time making a
See if
video.
we can survive Primal Fear VR.
oh shoot, I saw him. Guys, I'm not going out.
Oh god. This is actually kind of scary, not gonna lie. Oh. What if he comes in here? What do we do? Huh? This is interesting. Why are we all cyan? Or teal, I should say. I don't really know what we're supposed to do. This is one of my first times playing.
Yo, you play this game?
Oh crap! I dropped my controller!
Pick it up.
What?
Oh my god, that jump scare!
Turn your
That jump
volume
scare is
down.
actually crazy.
Turn your volume down.
Yo, I just got.
This will bring the monster to us.
Interesting. I'm not afraid of you!
Oh my God!
I'm sorry! I am afraid of you! Not you, but your jump scare. And that noise that he makes! I don't like it. Alright, I'm gonna take my chances, guys. Wait, buddy. Oh my god! Oh my god! God, my neighbor's gonna hear me screaming! They're...
Yeah, you have to be. He can only hear noises. They're gonna start getting worried about it.
noises. It's interesting. I wasn't making that much noise. He got me because I made a little noise there.
If you want to
Yeah, you got to be quiet as a mouse.
Everyone,
If you want to join a YouTube
I'm gonna be quiet, and then he won't notice us. That's how it goes, I think.
I got your back.
Run as well, though. Once I hear that, I need to run.
Yeah, you need
even
to run.
though you're quiet, it doesn't really matter if you're quiet. You can still the monster can still get you, even though you're quiet.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm bored. I just got on. Woo, my favorite place. Oh, wait, where did Homo go?
I thought if I would stand still, he wouldn't get me. But that's disappointing.
Oh, hi. I died.
Oh, dang.
Hi, people.
What happens if I press this again?
Yeah, I just started this game. Wait, how do you open this? Oh.
It opens immediately. This is press me.
I don't think they should go that way. Go for my way.
Oh my! I retreated to him! Yeah, no. Let's explore other parts of this area. You good? You good?
Why do I sound like that? What's in there?
I don't know, and I don't really know if I want to know.
Water. Oh, it's my D's. Oh. Oh my god.
Alright. That's cool. This is what I look like.
Ouch. And traffic cone hat. We also have the bowl, which includes Boomer in
Can I
it.
get this? Can afford it. Alright guys, let's try it one last time. Before, let's explore in here. Just a pool room, nothing exciting.
Wait, no, Conehead, what's your name?
My name is Cooper. Yeah.
I'm back. Cooper. Cooper and Anxiety VR. Anxiety. Let's go, boys. Let's go. That was me. That was me. I did that. That was no. Go back. Go back. Go back. Cooper.
Help me!
I need to find my room. Oh, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's apparently right here. Whoa! I'm running. I'm running. Can we not just like dodge him by doing this? No, he's tall enough to like get you from there. I know another game like this.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want
It's all you and
more
me.
videos like this. But yeah, I think it's safe to say now that brings us to the conclusion of this video.